Welcome to our video on how to stay consistent in your goals. Today, we're diving into some practical tips and tricks designed to help you remain steadfast in your pursuits. You'll learn how setting clear and achievable goals can provide direction and focus. We'll discuss forming daily routines that make your habits stick and the importance of tracking your progress consistently. Additionally, we'll touch on celebrating small victories and finding accountability partners who support and motivate you. All of these strategies combined will help you stay on track and move closer to achieving your dreams. Setting clear and achievable goals is crucial for maintaining focus and motivation. By using the SMART criteria, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, you can create well-defined goals that break down your larger vision into manageable steps. Specific goals provide clarity. Measurable goals allow you to track progress. Attainable goals ensure your plans are realistic. Relevant goals align with your broader objectives, and time-bound goals set a deadline to keep you accountable. Together, these elements make your goals much more actionable and attainable, giving you a clear roadmap to follow and keeping you motivated along the way. Developing a daily routine is essential for building consistent habits and optimizing your time management. When you establish a routine, you create a structured plan for each day, making it easier to stay focused on important tasks. This not only helps in cultivating good habits, but also significantly reduces the chances of procrastination. By allocating specific time slots for various activities, you ensure that each task gets the attention it deserves, leading to higher productivity and efficiency. Ultimately, a well-structured daily routine enables you to accomplish your goals more effectively and maintain a balanced lifestyle. Monitoring your progress regularly is crucial for staying on track and achieving your goals. By keeping an eye on your advancements, you can identify what's working and what needs improvement. Celebrating small milestones along the way boosts motivation and morale, making long-term objectives seem more attainable. Moreover, regularly tracking your progress allows you to adjust your strategies as needed, ensuring you're always moving in the right direction. This continuous evaluation and adjustment process helps you stay focused, overcome obstacles, and maintain momentum toward your overarching goals. Having accountability partners can significantly enhance your commitment to achieving your goals. These individuals provide vital support, motivation, and encouragement, making it easier to stay focused and dedicated. By sharing your goals with someone else, you create a sense of responsibility and are more likely to follow through on your commitments. Accountability partners also offer constructive feedback and help you stay on track during challenging times. They act as a sounding board for your ideas and can offer different perspectives that you might not have considered, ultimately helping you stay aligned with your objectives and motivated to succeed.